This conference was focused first on basic sciences and then on the use of results of basic sciences for achieving sustainable development. We think that we have sent a serious appeal to the global public, but especially to the politicians, to the scientists and politicians, about the necessity of supporting basic science all around the world for sustainable development.
It's our honor to be part of this very important conference about sustainable development in basic science, and we are very happy to be able to show what our company has been doing regarding this topic.
We are honored to be part of such an important conference dedicated to science and sustainability that are so deeply integrated in our DNA. And also we are incredibly proud of our For Women in Science Fellows who had a chance to present their outstanding researches.
Well, one of the most important benefits for me, considering this fellowship, was the opportunity to get more visibility.
It's equally important for young scientists and for experienced researchers to make connections, and it's a nice opportunity to do that.
The key messages from this conference are that the world is facing unprecedented global challenges that need new approaches and need the contributions of organizations from all sectors of society. So it's a message of the social responsibility of science to contribute to human security.